Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the customer support button. And as you can see, there's a live chat function as well as a phone call. You can request a phone call, and they are online from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So just choose the option that's more comfortable for you. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.